I was today years old when I discovered that loose deep wave is my favorite hair texture of all times. Today I'm working with Wiggins Hair. They sent over this gorgeous loose deep wave 20-inch HD lace 13x4 lace frontal wig, and I'm going to be sharing my start to finish install. You see how gorgeous these curls are? They come natural straight out of the box. I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like to wand curl the hair. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I got so many compliments in the past week on this hair, and I just want to share it with you guys because it's super bomb, perfect for all seasons. And I'm going to be giving you all the tea and show you how to install. You guys see that hairline? I'm going to be showing you how to install that too. So if you're interested in seeing how we got this look, keep on watching. Today we are working with Wiggins. They sent me over a package and I'm super excited. I love their hair. It's very much quality. So this is my hair for the weekend. I love also that orange there, and they did give me some goodies. I'll show you guys those later down the road. It is $3.10, so we'll see how long it takes me to put on this wig as a straight out of the box install and style. It is Friday, so you guys already know it's dance day. The kids have not made it home yet. They're with their dad running a couple errands, and then when they get back I gotta do Dominic's hair because yeah, she is running around town dressed but hair absolutely positively not done. This is the hair here, and I believe this is this deep wave or water wave? I believe this is deep wave. I'll have the details, the texture, the length, all of the details they provide in the description box, and it's a nice full density. It's not going to be too sparse by any means. Has a nice sheen, a nice rich natural brown color, and it is definitely gorgeous with the curl pattern. I almost want to do like wand curls opposed to wet, but we will see. It looks like this is Swiss lace. Again, I haven't went over the specs of what they sent because I forgot, but look at the hairline. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna put this back in here so you guys can kind of see before you put it on. Look at that. This is what you call pre-plucked, literally from ear to ear to perfection. The knots are super fine, so you don't see no chunks on the lace like them thick knots. It is bleached. It is set as a center part. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. It is a free part, which is always a plus. I just cut off that little excess lace in the back, and then here we have the adjustable elastic band. It does have that grip stuff on the back because this is gonna lay at your nape and it'll help it to like not move around. I'm gonna put this back in. This is what it should look like, and I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it just a little. I'm gonna bond this down with the glueless adhesive so I don't need it too tight, and this is what it should look like. Now let's go ahead and put it on. Ooh wee. Okay, so this is the curl pattern and this is what it looks like on. The lace on this one is absolutely seamless. Now I told you guys, oh, I'm going with the brown wig cap so I don't have to buff any foundation. I'm still gonna have to buff foundation today because look how beautiful and flawless the lace is. It's so flawless that it definitely is gonna show my cap. This is what it looks like if you push the cap back, and you guys can see how beautiful the hairline lays. This one as a wig as a whole already lays flat, so we won't have to do much work. This one feels like more of a wand curl more than a wet curl, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the wand curler. That way we can kind of just accentuate these once it's installed. But for now, let's go ahead and pull the hair back. My children are home. We're gonna pull this back. I did purchase this. This comes as a set and I got it from Amazon. This is the darkest shade, which is probably way too light, but we're gonna try it out anyways. Hi, baby. Look at my boo. Let me see. You are so pretty. Look at my baby.
The teacher said, I've been really good. This is called a kudos card.
Kudos to Dakota. Awesome behavior, a positive attitude. Wow, congratulations, my kudos princess. Your earrings are so pretty. I just have so many compliments for you today. So this is the darker shade. I think this is too, yeah, this is not gonna work for today. I'm gonna still use the brush.
You're special and you're reckless.
Okay, let's go ahead and cut off the excess lace. You see it covers the ears. Let's cut it off.
Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
Okay, I went ahead and changed out of my outfit. I don't know what it is, but that robe was so hot to me. But look at Papa. So cute. And Dakota. Now, I'm going to say I definitely slacked on the wardrobe. Anyways, let's get back to it. This is the hairline. And let me pull forward so you can see it flat on the skin. Look how beautiful that is. I'm just going to use my little tiny scissors. I don't have a widow's peak. This one comes slightly forward. Not really a lot, but I can definitely trim that across. And as you guys can see, I went into to the hairline on the sides. So basically I got rid of that ear tab slash sideburn. And then here, this is where you see you have like a slight widow's peak. So you could pull that forward. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna cut straight across. It's gonna cut off a few strands of hair, but this is more like my hairline, if that makes sense. And then cut the rest off like so. I'm gonna go ahead and do my sideburns. Once you go ahead and do those sideburns, look how that kind of like melts in. Imagine once you tip the lace. This one definitely fits glueless. I did take a little bit more off on this side. I like to just kind of like tease it in so that side blends with that. Now we can go ahead and add some baby hair because again, if it's glueless, so we don't need to bond it down. We are gonna melt it so that it like blends, but we want to do some little swoops and then no ear tabs. So I'm gonna take this piece here and should I do wispy? Let's curl them.
And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah.
I'm gonna take a layer of my melting spray and I'm gonna put it underneath. I just feel like it's more seamless and more flawless when you do it underneath. Sometimes when you do it on top, it just looks a little bit more cakey in my opinion. And then I went ahead and curled these, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of my edge control from Bedeck Beauty at the very base. Whatever's left, you just put it into the rest of the hair. Put these at the base as well, and the rest into the rest of the hair. Meanwhile, that adhesive is just organically drying, and we always keep a towel nearby so that we can wipe our hands and such. And then we're gonna just form the baby hair as we see fit.
Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright.
And then from here we can add a little bit of edge control, not edge control, what is this called? Wax, just to make it look flawless. I feel like it looks good as is, but if you want like flawless salon quality, you need a dynamic duo. You need a wax and a hot comb, and you need to make sure that whenever you do your hair, at least for that first install, that you go against the hairline. And if you are scared to do it against the hairline like this, you take the wig off, put it on the wig head, and do exactly this, and it's gonna look like it's coming out your scalp.
Oh yeah, I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you.
Now just that little step, look how that looks versus this side. Big difference, real big difference. Okay, before we put the melt belt on, I'm gonna do the same thing along the parting. And this is about how much parting space you get. And I just put that wax along that space and then just press it out as best you can.
Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you.
And this is just gonna flatten out that crown area really, really good. And then you put this on top and let it all melt together.
In the future with me, I wanna meet you.
Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit of my little dry serum. I feel like that curls don't need much. You can add a little bit of a wand curl to touch them up, but really straight out of the box, you can kind of like brush this down and go. So let's see what happens when you use the unbrush. Look how beautiful the curls are. Again, you can for sure customize these, but really it's not even necessary. This is like a specific curl that, again, if you want to mimic it, you can obviously wet the hair down, but I prefer to use like a wand curler. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it as is as far as the ends go for now. Okay, let's see if we like it. Okay. Now the only thing I see is that I do need to make these match a little bit better, because that's definitely gonna bug me, the fact that this one here is longer and fuller than this one. But for the sake of my hair still look cute, wiggle it, I'm just going to trim this one a little to match, and then we can go in and tint the lace. I bought this lace tint from, what is this, Red by Kiss, and it's definitely a fail because if I'm not mistaken, there was a light and a dark. I bought the dark, and the dark is for brown skin. It's not for dark skin. So this is what the hairline looks like with no lace tint, and I'm just gonna go in and just pack in a little bit of this here and there or throughout, just so that you can kind of hide the lace a little bit better and give it a little bit more melanin. Look how that melted. And I'm gonna take that same dark shade because it's already light in the parting, so I don't need it lighter. You see how like big and curly it is? You can also throw down on some mousse. Let me see what will happen. Like right here, just hit it slightly to kind of cancel out a little bit of the frizz. It is raining outside, so I'm pretty sure it'll, you know, get big organically. But you see how that kind of like tamed it down, and it'll help it hold against the elements. We had an earthquake today and it's raining today, so there you have it, California. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take the girls to dance. Okay, fast forward. It is 9:51. I'm just watching some little crime investigation shows off of Facebook, and it is 9:51. I think I just said that. As you guys can see, my hair is adorned with a nice little headband courtesy of Dominic Lyons. She went ahead and did my hair because we came home, we ate dinner, my husband made some chicken wings, I had like 3, and just laid down for a little bit. Now my son got spoiled by my guys today, made me some ice cream. We have some cookies and cream in the freezer, and I wanted 3 cherries inside. Of course I had some, but I only ate half. So now I'm deciding what I want to do with the hair. It's so funny, I wish I would have been able to wear like my Ray-Ban Metas and just had them recording the whole time. I got 2 compliments today in a matter of like 10 minutes. I ran to Target. It was a little old black lady coming out the bathroom, and I was going towards the bathroom, and she's like, "You look so cute." This made my day. I was like, "You look cute too." And then the lady who helped me in Chick-fil-A drive-thru also told me my hair and makeup was pretty. So that's that. I know I looked cute today. Anyways, I kind of like this in here. She kind of did it her own way, and she kind of, you know, she uses like a brush, a bristle brush, not like a wig brush. So of course it got a little bit more. But luckily it was not raining, but I like her vibe. So let's see what happens when we comb it out after being out all day. I feel like initially I wanted to go in and wand curl it, but you guys see how I added product, but that product was a dry oil, so it kind of absorbed it. You really don't need to go in and do much of anything. And so you guys can see, you see that body and definition, and it's soft, like soft curls. I love that, opposed to like hard squishy curls. You could even like take it over to kind of like add some height and volume. I'm trying to decide because I kind of do want it like big. So should I add some wand curls, like maybe like a top layer, or should I just add more mousse? I'm just gonna add a couple curls on top just so we can see what it does. I mean, it's Friday night, it's not like I have a life or like I'm going anywhere. So let's just see when we just do a little quick 1, 2.
Ooh yeah, Amaru, yeah. Turn up for the night. Real thing, she's no average girl. Too fine, oh she mine. She's so damn fine. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, eh. I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, eh. She the girl in my visions.
Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. I don't really want to comb the curls out, but you guys can see what it did to it. It's almost like it customized the curls. So it broke up like the, how do you say it? Like the factory curls, and gave it just a little bit more of a vibe. As I said, I wanted to bring it up and give it more of a, like a big look. And I think I executed that very, very, very well. This one did come from Wiggins, as I mentioned before. And this is the packaging. Inside you do get a pack of lashes, a pack of HD wig caps, a Wiggins hair melt belt, a baby hairbrush, and then last but most certainly not least, you have a dust bag for your tresses, and it does have their social media handles all over the back, so you can check that out, including their WhatsApp. Now as far as the hair goes, I really like this one because this is going to be fun for the summer. You get the boho natural, and you can take it up and do the big hair. So this one is going to be fun because if you're a wand, how do you say it? Like a wand girl, I love this one for like a base for wand curls, but you can also mousse it up. As you guys seen, I did mousse in this video and I did the wand curls, and both work. So I really love that. I'm gonna let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Wiggins Hair information is down below, including the direct link to this here and all of the details on this wig here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.